Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Google Wallet to your bank account, step by step. So, the tutorial today is how to move money from Google Wallet to your bank account. First, open the Google Wallet app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, then go to Settings and select Payments Profile. This is where your balance and linked bank accounts are managed. If you haven't already linked a bank account, add one by entering your bank details and completing the verification steps. You'll need a linked bank account before you can transfer money out. Once your bank account is connected, go back to the main Google Wallet screen and look for your balance. Tap on the balance or select the option to transfer or withdraw funds. Choose Transfer to Bank or Withdraw, depending on how it appears in your app. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer to your bank account, then review the details to make sure everything is correct. Confirm the transfer and submit it. Google Wallet will process the transfer and the money will be sent to your linked bank account. Transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days to show up in your bank, depending on your bank and location. And that's it. That's how you transfer money from Google Wallet to your bank account. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Google Wallet and payment tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want to see another step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.